How do we measure temperature? We can't just measure it directly, like we can measure the length with a ruler, that kind of thing. We got to measure something else, and then we relate it to temperature. To set up a temperature scale, what do we use to measure? Well, volume is really easy to measure. That was used back in the day. Many other things are used now, but we'll create our thermometer using volume. So what we'll do is we'll take this closed glass bulb with a liquid in it, and mercury was used back then, although now kerosene and many other liquids are also used, but it's evacuated so that there's only the mercury in here, and we'll stick this tube in something, say freezing water, and we'll just declare that the temperature of this freezing water is 0. We'll just decide that right now.
Weird.
And then we'll take the bulb and we'll put it in something else, say the boiling water. And the volume of the liquid will go up because the density will go down. When things get hotter, they typically expand, so the volume will go up, the height goes a little bit higher, and we're going to declare this temperature as 100 degrees Celsius. We'll just make that up. Now we'll measure this distance here, and just for easy math, let's say the height difference from 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius is 10 centimeters. Okay. Now, something we're going to need to assume, and this is very important, is we're assuming temperature changes linearly with height. So this is like y equals mx plus b. This isn't true exactly, but for most applications, it's kind of good enough. And at the 100 degrees temperature, we'll say t at 100 degrees equals m, which is the slope, times the height, h2, plus b. At 0 degrees Celsius, mh1 plus b, and then we'll take these two equations and we'll subtract them. So that gives us t100 minus t at 0 equals, now the b cancels out because we're subtracting, right? And then we have mh2 minus mh1, which is m times h2 minus h1 if we factor out the m. And if we solve for the m, the slope tells us how the temperature changes with the height. So that's 100, because 100 minus 0 is 100, divided by the 10 centimeters. That's the change in height. So for every rise in 10 degrees Celsius, the height goes up a centimeter. So we can now take this and we can make these gradation marks on our bulb, and then we now have created a thermometer. We could go and stick it in stuff and measure the temperature of stuff.